year. I'm proud to say that I am from the second batch, and we are very fortunate to have Sir Third as our advisor.
Yes!
The reason why I chose SRG because people told me that it is the best review center. Plus, the owner
Yes.
now is a good-looking guy.
Yes!
Hindi, walang wala. So, I remember my first day at SRG. To be honest, I was really nervous. New environment, new crowd. Basically, everything's different. At first, I thought they were just going to help me academically. No more, no less. Just pure academic. But throughout its course, the lecturers, particularly Sir Edmond and Sir Third, taught me the greatest lesson in life. To always have faith in God and to believe in yourself. I have a story about a young boy who somehow found his way to the stage and started playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Paderewski, the great pianist, sat beside him and whispered in the boy's ear, "Don't quit, keep playing." Soon he started accompanying the little boy in the piano, and together, the little boy and the master came up with a beautiful, mesmerizing rendition of the song. That's how it is with our Heavenly Father. Our efforts, our works, our accomplishments are small and hardly noteworthy. But he joins us in the ladies to tell us, don't quit, keep playing. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Conflict and confusion are great places to find ideas and inspiration. So don't let obstacles get you down. Let them inspire you.
Yes.
Winston Churchill once said, "Success is never final. Failure is never fatal. It is courage that counts." We have made it this far. We should all be proud of ourselves because we are not afraid to take risks. Remember, God is in control. He has plans. And to end my speech for this morning, I am quoting Eleanor Roosevelt. "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So now I tell you, don't quit. Keep on dreaming. Let your dreams be your inspiration. Be the best of whatever you are." Thank you. Good morning.
As much as gusto mo natin na mag-stay, we have mga 10 minutes na lang kasi mayroon ng session. Those who want to sing pa, from any batch, okay, kung may time tayo,